Namaste. Ram. A warm welcome to everyone. Apologies, there has been a slight delay due to a technical glitch I was facing. Let me share the screen and we can then start with the prayer. Gururev gati gurumev bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone. Swagatam. Let us start with the Dhyanam. I will chant the Dhyanam once fully and then I will teach again so that the panelists can repeat. Before we start, I would request all of you to visualize Shri Lalitambika and pray. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम् सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. Sai Smriti, please unmute. So before I chant, I will just highlight the Mahaprana Aksharas in this verse. Sinduraruna Vigraham Trinayanam Manikya Maulis Phurat. Ha is a Mahaprana Akshara. Tara Nayaka Shekharam. Kha is a Mahaprana Akshara. Smita Mukhim. Kha, again Mukhi. Kha is a Mahaprana Akshara. Smita Mukhi Mapina Vakshoruham. This letter is Ksha. Panibhyam. Bha is a Mahaprana Akshara. Panibhyam Alipurna Ratna Chashakam. Here Sha. Shanmukha Sha. Raktotpalam Bibhratim. First letter is an Alpaprana Bha and second letter is a Mahaprana Bha. Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha. Gha is a Mahaprana Akshara. Again in Ghatastha, Tha is a Mahaprana Akshara. Rakta Charanam Dhyayet. Dha is a Mahaprana. Paramambikam. Sinduraruna-vigraham.
Sinduraruna-vigraham. Sinduraruna-vigraham.
Trinayanam.
Trinayanam. Trinayanam.
Manikya-maulis-phurat.
Manikya-maulis-phurat. Manikya-maulis-phurat.
Taranayaka-shekharam.
Taranayaka-shekharam. Taranayaka-shekharam.
Smita-mukhim-apina-vakshoruham.
Smita-mukhim-apina-vakshoruham. Smita-mukhim-apina-vakshoruham.
Panibhyam-alipurna.
Panibhyam-alipurna. Panibhyam-alipurna.
रत्नचषकम्
रत्नचषकम् रत्नचषकम्
रक्तोत्पलम्
रक्तोत्पलम् रक्तोत्पलम्
बिभ्रतीम्
बिभ्रतीम् बिभ्रतीम्
सौम्याम्
सौम्याम् सौम्याम्
रत्नघटस्थ
रत्नघटस्थ रत्नघटस्थ
this here gha is a mahaprana, ta is an alpa prana, and again tha is a mahaprana. Ratnaghatastha
रत्नघटस्थ रत्नघटस्थ
रक्तचरणाम्
रक्तचरणाम् रक्तचरणाम्
ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहाम्
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहाम् सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहाम्
त्रिनयनाम्
त्रिनयनाम् त्रिनयनाम्
माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत्
माणिक्यमौलस्फुरत् माणिक्यमौलस्फुरत्
तारानायकशेखराम्
तारानायकशेखराम् तारानायकशेखराम्
स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम्
स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहम् स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम्
रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम्
रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम् रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम्
सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणाम्
सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणाम् सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणाम्
ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनाम् माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत्
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनाम् माणिक्यमौलस्फुरत् सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनाम् माणिक्यमौलस्फुरत्
तारानायकशेखराम् स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम्
तारानायकशेखराम् स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहम् तारानायकशेखराम् स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहम् वक्षोरुहाम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम्
सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परमम्बिकाम् सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परमम्बिकाम्.
Now we will chant 2 lines together. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम्
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परमम्बिकाम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परमम्बिकाम्
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम् सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परमम्बिकाम् सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्.
Am I audible? There looks like there is some network issue. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You chanted twice, right? Okay. Dhanyavadaha. So there was a question from one of the attendees whether this should be chanted as Sinduraruna Vigraham or should be Sinduraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam. So if you remember the pronunciation aspects, whenever there is an Anuswara and followed by a consonant, that is Vyanjanakshara, so when the Anuswara becomes, takes the letter, the last letter of that particular Varga, the fifth letter of that Varga. So in this case, we have Anuswara followed by Ta, and the fifth letter of the Varga is Na. So we can chant this as Sinduraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam. So this is the general best practice. However, it is not incorrect if we chant it as Sinduraruna Vigraham Trinayanam. But if we are not taking a pause after Vigraham and if we are chanting continuously, the best practice is to follow this Varga Panchama rule, which is the after Anuswara, whichever the consonant, the Vyanjana, the fifth letter of that, the Varga Panchama. So in this case, Vigrahan Trinayanam. So you may ask me a question. Why in this the fourth line? Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha Rakta Charanam Dhyayet is there. We have a Anuswara and then Dha. Even in this case, it should take the form of the fifth letter of Tavarga, where Dha comes in, right? So Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. So the fifth letter in Tavarga is Na. Yes, you can chant it like that. And you should not take a pause after this Charanam in that case. So, Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha Rakta Charanam Dhyayet Paramambikam. This is correct. However, because it's a long line and long words, sometimes it is difficult for us to chant this whole line together without taking a pause. In that case, if we are taking a pause after Charanam, then we can chant this Anuswara, Charanam, and then chant Dhyayet. If you are chanting without a pause after this, without taking a break, then Charanam Dhyayet is correct. So this is the answer to the question from one of the attendees. So with this, let us move on to the next Dhyana Shloka. I request the attendees to raise hands for chanting. At the end of the session, I'll give 10 minutes time where you can look at the screen and chant these sessions. So till then, I request all of you to please lower your hands. Otherwise, a message keeps popping up for me on the screen. So I'll answer your questions also in the end. The second Dhyana Shloka, Arunam, if you see, this is Na, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Some of us always get confused with Na and Na. So please remember, this is Na, which comes in Tavarga. So Dirgha, and we have a Anuswara. And we have Ka, which is a Vyanjanakshara. So Arunam Karuna. So the fifth letter of Kavarga. So Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, N. So Arunam Karuna. This will become not Arunam. Then we have Karuna Tarangitakshim, Ksha and a Dirgha. Karuna Tarangitakshim. Dhrita, Dha is a Mahaprana here. Dhrita Pashankusha Pushpa. So in this Pushpa, here we have a half Sha. Shanmukha Sha. Pushpa Bana Chapam. Then we have Animadibhiravrutam In this, bha is a Mahaprana. Mayukhairahamityeva. Kha is a Mahaprana. And we have Vibhavaye. Bha is a Mahaprana. And we have Bhavanim. Bha is a Mahaprana. So, Meenakshi, you can chant after me. Arunam.
Arunam, Arunam,
Karunatarangitakshi.
Karunatarangitakshim, Karunatarangitakshim,
Dhrutapashankusha.
Dhrutapashankusha, Dhrutapashankusha,
Pushpabanachapam.
Pushpabanachapam, Pushpabanachapam,
Animadibhiravrutam.
Animadibhiravrutam, Animadibhiravrutam,
Mayukhairahamityeva.
Mayukhairahamityeva, Mayukhairahamityeva,
Vibhavaye.
Vibhavaye, Vibhavaye,
Bhavanim.
Bhavanim, Bhavanim,
Arunam karunatarangitakshi.
Arunam karunatarangitakshim, Arunam karunatarangitakshim,
Dhrutapashankusha pushpabanachapam.
Tapashankusha pushpabanachapam, Dhrutapashankusha pushpabanachapam,
Animadibhiravrutam.
Animadibhiravrutam, Animadibhiravrutam,
Mayukhairahamityeva.
Mayukhairahamityeva, Mayukhairahamityeva,
Vibhavaye bhavanim.
Vibhavaye bhavanim, Vibhavaye bhavanim,
Arunam karunatarangitakshi.
Arunam karunatarangitakshim, Arunam karunatarangitakshim,
Dhrutapashankusha pushpabanachapam.
Dhrutapashankusha pushpabanachapam, Dhrutapashankusha pushpabanachapam.
In the second line, we have Animadibhiravrutam Mayukhairahamityeva. We can split off this Mayukha. So if we split Mayukhaihi ahamityeva, it becomes so. Animadibhiravrutam Mayukhaihi ahamityeva Vibhavaye bhavanim. If we take a split here, if we split the word and the sandhi is there. If we are chanting together, it is Mayukhairahamityeva. Both are correct. Animadibhiravrutam mayukhaihi.
Animadibhiravrutam mayukhaihi, Animadibhiravrutam mayukhaihi,
Ahamityeva vibhavaye bhavanim.
Ahamityeva vibhavaye bhavanim, अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्
अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्
अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम् अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्
Uttamam. Meenakshi, let's move to the next one. Dhyayet, dha is a Mahaprana. Padmasanastham, in Padma we have the and ma and a. Padmasanastham. The last letter here is tha Mahaprana. Vikasita Vadanam. Padma Patrayataksheem. Padma Patrayataksheem. Hemabham. Bha is a Mahaprana. Pita Vastram. Karakalita Lasaddema. We have a Alpa Pranada and the Karakalita Lasaddema Padmam Varangim Sarvalankara Yuktam Satatamabhayadam. So in Satatamabhayadam, Bha is a Mahaprana. Bhakta Namram, Bha is a Mahaprana. Bhavani, again Bha is a Mahaprana. Shri Vidyam Shantamurtim Sakala Suranutam Sarva Sampat Pradatrim. Meenakshi, you can continue with me now. Dhyayet.
ध्यायेत् ध्यायेत्
Padmasanastham
पद्मासनस्थां पद्मासनस्थां
Vikasita Vadanam
विकसितवदनां विकसितवदनां
Padmapatrayatakshim
पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं
Dhyayet Padmasanastham Vikasita Vadanam Padmapatrayatakshim.
ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं
Hemabham Pitavastram
हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां
Karakalitalasadhema Padmam
करकलितलसद्धेम पद्मां करकलितलसद्धेम पद्मां
Varangim
वराङ्गीं वराङ्गीं
सर्वालङ्कारयुक्ताम्
सर्वालङ्कारयुक्ताम् सर्वालङ्कारयुक्ताम्
सततमभयदाम्
सततमभयदाम् सततमभयदाम्
भक्तनम्राम्
भक्तनम्राम् भक्तनम्राम्
भवानीम्
भवानीम् भवानीम्
श्रीविद्याम्
श्रीविद्याम् श्रीविद्याम्
शान्तमूर्तिम्
शान्तमूर्तिम् शान्तमूर्तिम्
सकलसुरनुताम्
सकलसुरनुताम् सकलसुरनुताम्
सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्
सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम् सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्
ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थाम् विकसितवदनाम् पद्मपत्रायताक्षीम्
ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थाम् विकसितवदनाम् पद्मपत्रायताक्षीम् ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थाम् विकसितवदनाम् पद्मपत्रायताक्षीम्
हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीम्
हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीम् हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीम्
सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीम्
सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीम्
श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्
श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम् श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्
ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीम् सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्
ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीम् सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम् ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदाम् भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्
Uttamam. This is another Dhyana shloka. I'll teach this in the next class. So before that, I will start with the first verse today. So we will have a revision of first three and the new other Dhyana shloka in the coming class. But as of now, I will teach the first verse. Sai Smriti. This is the first verse as you are seeing, and you see that it starts with Shri Hayagriva Uvacha. That is because Hayagriva Bhagavan is giving this knowledge to Agastya Maharshi. So when we are learning, like I said earlier, the Nyasa I'll be teaching in the end. Reason being, we are not chanting the entire Sahasranama. And first time I will chant Shri Hayagriva Uvacha. And from the coming classes, we will start directly with Om Shri Mata only. So let me first read out this. Shri Hayagriva Uvacha. Om Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata. So in this we have Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta. Bha Sambhuta. Bha is a Mahapranakshara. Sai Smriti, you can repeat after me. Shri Matre Namaha. Shri Hayagriva Uvacha.
Shri Hayagriva Uvacha. Shri Hayagriva Uvacha.
Om Shri Mata.
Om Shri Mata. Om Shri Mata.
Shri Maharagni.
Shri Maharagni. Shri Maharagni.
Shrimat Simhasaneshwari.
Shrimat Simhasaneshwari. Shrimat Simhasaneshwari.
Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta.
Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta. Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta.
Devakarya Samudyata.
Devakarya Samudyata. Devakarya Samudyata.
Shri Mata Shri Maharagni.
Shri Mata Shri Maharagni. Shri Mata Shri Maharagni.
Shrimat Simhasaneshwari.
Shrimat Simhasaneshwari. Shrimat Simhasaneshwari.
Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta.
चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूत चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूत
देवकार्यसमुद्यता
देवकार्यसमुद्यत देवकार्यसमुद्यत
श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता
श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यत श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता.
Tamam, dhanyavadaha. So I'll just quickly see if I can answer few of the questions. So the recording will be uploaded to the dashboard. So you can check it again. So in case if it is not available, you can write to sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in or to my mail ID, which I will put it on the chat later. Then we have unmuting and muting. You typical, that is, there's a question on somebody who's new to Zoom meeting and could not find unmute and mute. So as a default thing, all of us, like everyone will be on mute in this. And when in the end, when I request you to raise hands for chanting practice, then I will unmute. I will enable you to unmute yourself. So till then, all everyone in the session will be on mute. So I will let you know when I ask you to raise hands so that I will enable unmuting for you. Then we have so you can print out the script as you are seeing, and the PDF scripts are all available on the course page. So in case if you're not able to see that, please write to sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in. So the team there will help you. Then we have there is a question on whether it is Trinayanam or Trinayanan. Okay, let me go back to the Dhyana Shloka and so there is a question from one of the attendees, Janani, I guess. Sinduraruna Vigraham Trinayanam, whether it is Trinayanam or Trinayanan. So here we have a, just reminding you, it is an Anuswara followed by a consonant. So the Anuswara will take the form of the last letter of the Tavarga, which is Varga Panchama. Rule is applied here. So Sinduraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam, when we are chanting this. However, if you are splitting and saying, then Sinduraruna Vigraham Trinayanam, this is how. But since we are chanting this as a shloka, as a stotra, and we are chanting the first two words together, the best practice is to chant this as Sinduraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam itself. Okay, then there is a question from Aparna Bhagini, whether it is Charanan or Charanam. Again, the same thing. This is not Visarga rule. This is a Varga Panchama rule. So if we are chanting this entire line together, like Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha Rakta Charanam Dhyayet Paramambikam, then this Nam, the Anuswara, will become Na because there is a consonant Dha which comes in Tavarga, and the last letter of Tavarga is Na. However, if you are taking a break after this Charanam, Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha Rakta Charanam, Dhyayet paramambikam. Hope it is clarified. So, English and Sanskrit script Lalita Sahasranama file, which will be uploaded to the course page. This is in answer to Divya Gopu Bhagini's question. I believe there are some newcomers today. So I request all of you to go through the first class recording, which will be available on course page as well as on YouTube channel of Sanskrit from Home, so that you will be able to brush up the basics of pronunciation and also what was covered in the first class. Okay. So there are a few questions with respect to the Dhyana shlokas in second and third. So for today, do not worry about that part, because I'll be doing the revision and teaching those verses, that is the second and third Dhyana shlokas again. So please wait for the next class where we do the revision again of the first 3 Dhyana shlokas, and also we will learn the 4th Dhyana shloka. So I want to request attendees to raise hands for chanting practice for the first verse, that is the first Dhyana shloka only. I'll try to call as many as possible in next 5 to 6 minutes. If you don't get a chance today to chant, please do not feel bad. We will give more time in the next class for the same. So I'll call out the names and unmute. Pushpa Bhagini, would you like to chant this verse?
Yeah, madam. Thank you. Thank you. Shall I chant?
Yes, please.
Yeah, thank you. Sindhuraruna vigraham vigrahan trinayanam manikya sphurat taranayaka shekharam स्मितमुखी मापीनो वक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रक्तघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. Is it correct?
It is correct, Bhagini. Just the 4th line. It is you chanted this Ratna as Ratta. Can you chant this part only again? Saumyam.
Saumyam Ratna Ghatastharakthacharanam Dhyayet Paramambikam.
Uttamam. See, in this case, in Ratna Ghatastha, so there is Tha Mahaprana, Ta Alpaprana, and Tha Mahaprana. So when you can put little more stress on this Tha.
Tha.
Okay?
Ratna Ghatastha.
Correct. Uttamam.
Okay. Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Dhanyavada, madam.
Jyoti Bhagini, I have unmuted you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Would you like to chant this?
Yes, the same verse, Bhagini.
Yes.
Okay. Sindhuraruna vigrahan trinayanam manikya mauli sphurat taranayaka shekharam smitamukhi mapina vakshoruham पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्.
Uttamam. Just in the first line, Bhagini, Trinayanam, Kshamita, Manikya Maulis Puratu. Mauli is not a dirgha there. Maulis Purat. Li, Hasvasvara. Okay. And in the last line, like I was telling earlier, I know it's a little confusing. Gha Mahaprana, Ta Alpaprana, and Tha Mahaprana. So just we need to be little conscious over there. Okay.
Yes, Guruji. Thank you for the guidance.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಎಸ್ ಭಗಿನಿ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಭಗಿನಿ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಸಿಂಧೂರಾರುಣ ವಿಗ್ರಹಾಂ ತ್ರಿನಯನಾಂ ಮಾಣಿಕ್ಯ ಮೌಲಿಸ್ಫುರತ್ ತಾರಾನಾಯಕ ಶೇಖರಾಂ ಸ್ಮಿತಮುಖೀಮಾಪೀನವಕ್ಷೋರುಹಾಂ ಪಾಣಿಭ್ಯಾಮಲಿಪೂರ್ಣರತ್ನಚಷಕಂ ರಕ್ತೋತ್ಪಲಂ ಬಿಭ್ರತೀಂ ಸೌಮ್ಯಾಂ ರತ್ನಗಡಸ್ಥರಕ್ತಚರಣಾಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ಪರಾಮಂಬಿಕಾಂ.
Uttamam. Vijayalakshmi Bhagini. So in this first word, after the first word, try to say when you are, since we are chanting this together, Sindhuraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam.
Sindhuraruna Vigraham Trinayanam.
Correct. And then this is Sphurat. Manikya Maulisphurat.
Manikya Maulisphurat. Is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Then I noticed something else. Smitamukhi, is it? Bibhratim here. Okay, I'll chant this line. You can repeat after me. Panibhyamali ratna chashakam raktotpalam bibhratim. So alpa prana ba and alpa prana bha. Okay. Try this.
Okay. पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम्.
That's
Is
fine.
it right?
Yes, that is fine, Bhagini. Dhanyavada. Okay.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಭಗಿನಿ.
Namaste. Can you hear me? Om Shri Mata Shri Maharagi Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata.
Shamatam, I was on mute. Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, then Shrimat Simhasaneshwari. This was fine. And in the second line, Devakarya Samudyata. So, Dya, for example, is Samyukta Akshara. So, the and Dya both needs to be heard. But it was good. Dhanyavadaha. Meenakshi, are you there? Can you chant the verse twice? Because some of them would need a revision on this. Chant this verse alone twice.
Yes, ma'am. Shri Mata.
Others, please be on mute. Please go on mute. Go ahead.
Om Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata. Om Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata.
Tamam, dhanyavadaha. I will stop here for today. I think we have crossed 3 minutes more than the scheduled time. And once again, Kshamyatam for the delay. There was a technical issue and I couldn't log in on time. So there are a few more questions. I have taken note of it. Some of it is related to pronunciation and some related to meaning. So I will address those in the next class. And for those of you who have been repeatedly asking about that you are not able to access the course, download the content, please write a mail to sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in. So the team will be able to help you out. Okay, so let us do the Mangalam. Sarvamangalamangallye Shive Sarvarthasadhike Sharanye Triambake Devi Narayani Namostute. Dhanyavadaha. Pranams to everyone. Punarmilamaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಭಗಿನಿ.
Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Rampa. Let me stop recording.
ರಾಮ್ ರಾಮ್.
Ram Ram Ram.